Conversion of fractions to percentages. It is possible to have a fraction and then convert it to a percentage, that is per 100. Example. Express 4/5 as a percentage. In order to do this, when you are given your question in fraction form like this, all you have to do is just multiply by 100/1. That is, in our solution, you just need to do 4/5 multiplied by 100/1 in percent. Now this means you have 4 times 100 over 5 times 1 percent. Now this is the symbol for percentage. Now what is 4 times 100? That will give you 400 over 5%. Now let's divide. 5 in 40 is 8, and then 5 in 0, that's 0. So we are left with 80%. This is how you can convert from a simple fraction to percentage. Thank you.